Okay, I have to do this. I haven't laid on a shag rug since I was a kid. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels good. Hey, I'm Steve. This is the unique Loom Solo Shag Area Rug. This is how it comes to you. Now when you unroll it, I would recommend just taking a vacuum cleaner over it, and what that'll do is that will fluff up the shag. That's what I did, and I let the rug sit and relax for a couple of days to flatten out. All right, I have let this rug settle now for a couple days and relax. I have run the vacuum cleaner to fluff it up, and it is a beautiful rug. Let me give you some close-ups so you can get a feel for it. Here's the bottom of the rug, and as you can see, the stitching and everything looks good. It looks to be a well-made, high-quality rug, and I love the shag. I really hadn't had shag since I was a kid. And this is the cloud gray color. If you have a room in your home where you want to avoid cold feet when they hit the floor, this might be the rug for you. Now, I did want to measure the height of this shag, and it is about 1.5 inches tall. They do make this rug in different sizes and shapes, so probably whatever you need, they'll most likely have. Okay, I have to do this. I haven't laid on a shag rug since I was a kid. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels good. It's fluffy and it's soft. I'm gonna give this rug a thumbs up. Hey, if you're looking at this rug, I hope you found the video helpful. I like it. I think you will too.